101 Ways to Make Money Using AI. Sell website and page design services. With millions of businesses needing an online presence, web and landing page design is a booming opportunity. Startups, small businesses, solopreneurs, local service providers, plumbers, electricians, dog walkers, you name it. They all could use a shiny new website or landing page, and you can provide it using AI. Start at around $500 for a basic site, but with experience, you can charge $5K or more per project and can deliver in minutes using these 3 AI tools. Number 1, marketingblocks.ai. Number 2, Gamma. Number 3, Durable. With Marketing Blocks, just type in a few keywords and let AI create pages for you in seconds. How to sell this? Build a portfolio to show what you can do, offer discounted rates to gather testimonials, and show how your service can boost online visibility and customer base. Remember, you're selling business growth, not just a website. Save this video and follow me for more ways to make money with AI.